Welcome to chapter 6, your applications of derivative. Today we are going to see the topic angle of intersection between curve. For this we have taken two questions. Our question number 1 is find the angle of intersection of y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y at point 1, 1. So here the point is also given, otherwise we will work out for the point. In the second question you can see we are only given with the two curve, point of intersection is not given, but in question number 1 point of intersection is given. So what we will do, our first curve is y square is equal to x. Okay, find out m1. m1 is equal to, or first to differentiate, it will be 2y dy upon dx is equal to 1, and from here your dy upon dx is equal to 1 upon 2y. Let it be m1. Okay. For the second curve we are having x square is equal to y. When you differentiate this becomes 2x is equal to dy by dx, and this can be taken as your m2. So we are having here m1 and m2. We have to find out the angle between m1 and m2 at point 1, 1. So you can see here at point 1, 1, your m1 becomes, keep y value 1, तो ये आपका हो जाएगा half, and m2 इसकी वैल्यू भी आप 1 रख देंगे तो ये आपका कितना हो जाएगा 2. Okay. Now tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 1 plus m1 m2. Okay. Now this is equal to, what is your m1? Half minus 2 upon 1 plus half into 2. Now this is equal to, you can see here, minus 3 by 2 upon 2. So this is equal to 3 upon 4. From here, what is your theta? That is tan inverse 3 upon 4. So this is how we can work out for the angle between the two curves when the point is given. Now let us see the question number 2 in which the point is not given. In this we will work out for the point. You can see here it's given y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. So I am taking this is equation number 1 and this is 2. Just square this equation number 2. This becomes x4 is equal to 16y square. Okay. Now keeping the value of y square as 4x, this is x4 is equal to 16 into 4x, x to the power 4 is 64x. Now x to the power 4 minus 64x is equal to 0. We can take x cube minus 4 cube is equal to 0. This is your x minus 4, x square plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. So you can see here where we get the value of x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. So when x is equal to 0, you can see that keep here 0, y भी आपका कितना हो जाएगा 0. इसी तरीके से जब आपका x 4 है तो जब आप रखोगे तो y भी आपका कितना हो जाएगा 4. So we are having here point 0, 0. Our point is 0, 0 and 4, 4. इन दो पॉइंट पे हमें क्या निकालना है एंगल. सो नाउ लेट अस टेक दिस फर्स्ट कर्व y square is equal to 4x. So 2y dy by dx is equal to 4 and your dy upon dx is equal to 4 upon 2y, and this is equal to 2 upon y, and let this be equal to m1. Okay. Now this m1, that is dy by dx at point 0, 0 will be equal to 2 upon 0 and this is equal to infinity. Just say this is equal to infinity. That means tangent is vertical. Okay, it is your vertical. Next, again you differentiate this second equation. X square is equal to 4y, that is 2x is equal to 4 dy by dx. Now dy upon dx will be equal to x upon 2. You can see here 2x upon 4, that is x upon 2. This can be taken as m2. So your m2, that is dy by dx, again this at 0, 0 is equal to 0. That means tangent is horizontal. Okay. Now you can see here m1 it is vertical and m2 it is horizontal. Therefore angle between the curve at point 0, 0 is 90 degree. Okay, therefore the angle is at 0, 0, that is equal to 90 degree. In the same way we will work out for the point 4, 4. Again we can see here at point 4, 4. ध्यान दीजिए. Once again this will remain the same. यहाँ पे आपका change होगा. ये आपका हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 4 and 4. तो देखिए ये आपका कितना हो गया. यहाँ पे 4 हो गया 2 by 4 and this is equal to half. Okay. Similarly यहाँ पे जब आप आओगे तो ये आपका 4, 4 हो जाएगा. That is 4, 4. Again this will be 2. ये आपका कितना हो जाएगा 2. Now you will work out the angle with the help of the formula which we have already seen, that tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 1 plus m1 m2, that is m1 is your half minus 2 1 plus into 2 and this is equal to minus 3 by 2 upon 2 and this is equal to 3 upon 4. So what is your tan theta? That is 3 upon 4. So what will be theta? That is tan inverse 3 by 4. So this is the angle between the curve at point 4, 4. So at 0, 0 it is 90 degree and at 4, 4 it is tan inverse 3 by 4. So this is how we can work out for the angle between two curves when the curve is given. That is the intersection angle. Thank you.